Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm really excited to talk to you about this super cool, innovative product from Andoble. This is the Andoble EasyFly dual-sided magnetic phone grip. And yes, of course, it is MagSafe compatible. It is a phone grip that will stick to your MagSafe phone to be able to use a ring grip, but also it is dual-sided magnet, so it allows you to stick your phone to any metal surface or magnetic surface, which is just super cool. This is the first of this kind of device I've ever seen for the MagSafe iPhones, and I just think it's great. It has so many potential uses and different ways to use it. I'm going to grab my iPhone so I can just show you how it fits on there. So you just see, it just fits right on there, comes right off, but fits right on there. And once it's on there, you can see you have this ring. So that ring allows you to grip. You just stick your hand in there, and that way you don't have to worry about your phone falling, and you can see it grips. It's not going to fall off once it's on there. Nice strong magnets, but this rotates. So if you don't want to do it landscape, you can just rotate it around landscape. If it works better for your current situation, have it down at the bottom, you can have it down at the bottom. Wherever you need it to go, you just rotate it to where you want it to go, and it can go any direction. So it's really awesome that they built that in there. It also can serve as a stand, especially in landscape. If you put this out all the way, it'll hold your phone up in landscape or horizontal mode without any issues at all, which is just a bonus. But besides that, that's not all. There's a magnet built into the back of this that allows you to stick this to any metal surface. So now you can put your phone or mount your phone just about anywhere. If you have an Ioniq 5, then you have to get this, because the Ioniq 5 has that little magnetic area, that metal area to stick magnets right beside as part of the whole dash infotainment system. So this could be your car mount, which would be awesome. But besides that, there's so many ways you could use this in your kitchen. You could stick this on your microwave metal surface if you are looking at recipes, or maybe you're eating breakfast and you're watching a YouTube channel, or you're browsing the news. You stick this on your metal toaster just so it's at a good viewing angle while you're eating your breakfast. Again, because it's magnetic, it'll stick to any magnetic surface. Now, what's awesome is Andoble includes in the package two metal discs that you can mount anywhere. You could put on a mirror so that you could throw this on your mirror while you're brushing your teeth or getting ready in the morning to listen to podcasts. Or you can put it on the wall next to your bed or wherever. They include two metal discs. You can buy additional ones yourself, but they include the two in there. You can put those somewhere so that you can throw this on that wherever you want to. But any metal surface, it's going to stick to automatically. So that's just what makes this product so cool. It's like 3-in-1 or multiple uses in one, because you get this really cool magnetic phone grip that allows you to pull this ring down and have that grip so that you don't drop your phone when you're using it. But it also has that magnet built into it. That means it'll still stick to any MagSafe mounts that you have. Now, you cannot charge your phone while this is through this because there's all the metal in the ring. It blocks it from that. So you have to take it off to charge your phone. But the cool thing is it comes off so easy. Once you have that ring out, you just pull this right off. So if you need to charge it, you just pull it off and put it on there. But it will stick to your MagSafe mount. So if you just are mounting it, then you can stick it to your MagSafe mount with this still on there. Or you can put it on any metal surface and it will stick and stay. Just a really cool, innovative product by Andoble. They make some of the most amazing iPhone and MagSafe accessories out there, and this is definitely one of the most innovative products I've seen in a long time. If you have a MagSafe phone, this is definitely something I would recommend you get. There are just so many really cool and practical applications for it. Again, it's the Andoble EasyFly dual-sided magnetic phone grip, and it is definitely a product that I love and would highly recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions about the product, just post them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.